If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, keep watching. Hello everyone, and once again welcome back, or welcome to my channel, Simply Sharnae, where it's simply me being me. And today I'm going to show you guys how I got this twist style right here. I actually used the Jamaican twist pre-stretched hair. I'm gonna insert a little clip of what the hair actually looks like so you guys can see, what it looks like in the package and not just, this little picture right here. But let's go ahead and get started in this tutorial. So I'm just gonna get into what I did. So basically, I used this hair today. I'm gonna insert a clip right now to show you what the actual pack looks like. And then on my braids and my parts, I used this Shine and Jam, and it's basically this gel type product right here. And then I also have my rat tail comb and some clips to keep my hair out the way. Alright guys, so I'm back with another voiceover, and now I just have about 3 rows left on my hair, and this was a process. So now I'm just going to take my hair down and part one section out of the way, making sure that the part is nice and clean as possible, and just getting that Shine and Jam down the part just to keep the part clean. And then you could also go through and part through the section again if you need to, just to make it more straight. And then put the Shine and Jam on your edges to, gel them back. So right now I'm just checking out the part, making sure everything's okay. And this part, I don't know why it took so long here, but that's probably what played into my hair taking 8 hours to do. But anyways, I've already gone and I got my little section. You can make your sections however big or small you want them to be, and you just pin back the excess hair, and then you're going to want to put your Shine and Jam on the part just to, I don't know what the purpose of this is exactly, but I just know it makes it easier and helps the part and its twist or braid, whatever you're doing, look better in the end. So you're just going to put that down the length of your hair, and then grab your hair and make sure that the ends are even, like I'm doing right here. And then you're going to split that part in half. Now this is where things get complicated for some people. And for me, whenever I use this method, it would get complicated for me at times too. So basically you're going to split your hair in half, and then you lay that extension on top of it, and then you're going to twist one side in one direction, and then you're going to twist the other side in the other direction, as you can see that I did. And once you do that, you'll be able to twist your hair down the length of your hair like normal. So then you won't have to have the braid at the top of your twist, and it makes it for a more natural look. And after you do that, you just twist it down the length of your hair, and as you see, it goes pretty fast. I'm not speeding up these videos at all. This is real time, except for me, cutting it out, because I know you guys don't want to watch me twist for like 2 minutes, but just trying to give you guys an estimate of how fast or how long it takes. Sorry about that notification. Thought my phone was on silent. But whenever you guys get towards the end of your hair, you're gonna want to just separate the ends and then twist it to the bottom of the hair. This just helps it look better at the end and look more natural, as they say. And as you can see, since it's pre-stretched and it's also curly, looking natural, it comes to an end looking nice. So I'm going to show you guys this whole process again. So I'm grabbing another piece of hair. I have the part already split in two, and then you're going to lay it down in the middle, and you're going to twist one side in one way, or like clockwise and the other side, I guess, counterclockwise. And then you're going to twist the two sides together. So I'm going to just let you guys watch my hands to see how I did this. So like I said before, once you get that initial start of the twist done, you're just going to twist it down to the bottom like normal. What I forgot to say is that you can go ahead and add shine and jam if you want along the twist. I don't know if I did that in all of mine, but it's a step you can add. And then you're also going to split the ends just so they can have a more natural and even finish. And now I'm just going to twist it to the ends just to finish off this twist. And then secondly, I wanted to show you guys another method that's much easier if you're new to the whole doing your own twist or adding and braiding hair. And this is the rubber band method that you can use whenever doing Marley twists. So like before, you're going to go ahead and part a section of your hair away, and then of course pin the excess section back. And then you're going to, of course, make sure the hair part is straight. Yeah, I don't know why this is taking me so long to do in the video, but yeah, you just want to make sure your part is straight. And then pin the extra section back. And then you're going to get that shine and jam around the edges. And then once you do that, you're going to grab a rubber band and put it around the base. I know a lot of people like to dip their rubber bands in oil before they put their hair to help it from breaking. I just didn't include this in the video, but you can do that step. So once you do that, you just also want to make sure that you don't want to put the rubber band too tight, just about 3 times, just so it's not too snug on your hair. And then you're gonna get your hair and twist the top of it and get your crochet hook and slip it through the middle of the part and attach the little loop you just made through and pull the hair through. So then now you have it on both sides, and of course just make sure that the ends are even again. And then now you just split your hair in two, and then you just go ahead and twist your hair like normal. And that's all you have to do whenever you do the rubber band method. It's definitely quicker. The only thing I don't like so much about this method is that you can see the rubber band. If you know a way to stop yourself from seeing the rubber band, you can let me know in the comments below. But that's why in the front of my hair, I just did it like normal, so it could look better. But whenever it's in the back and you don't see it that much, I use the rubber band so then I can go faster through my hair, if that makes sense. So like always, you're just going to go ahead and twist your hair all the way down to the end just till you get to the bottom of the twist, like I've done in the past, I think 2 examples I just showed you. And of course you can add the shine and jam along the twist just to keep it staying better. And yeah, it's a really easy style. I feel like it's definitely easier than doing braids, depending on how long you do it. And then when you get towards the end of the twist, you're going to split apart the ends and separate them as needed to make sure that your ends are even. You just keep on twisting to the end. And one thing I liked a lot about this hairstyle was that I did not have to trim my ends that much, or not at all. I don't even think I trimmed the ends. It was just ready to go since the hair is already pre-stretched and all the twists are the same length and it doesn't shed the same way that like the Kanekalon hair does. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You guys are going to want to just do this for the whole head and you'll end up with something that looks kind of like this, of course, once my hair is done. But thanks for watching. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I just finished my hair and it took me just a little under 8 hours, only because I did them small. But if you want, of course, you can do them bigger. And then also a step I didn't do today, you could use the setting foam or mousse, whatever you want to call it, on your hair, but I didn't, just because this is the Marley hair and it really does look natural, so it's going to stay better. But if you know like a great mousse to use, comment that down below so I know, because I'm still trying to figure out what the best one is. And I also hope this tutorial helped you guys a lot, and if you liked it and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified the next time that I post a video. And last but not least, don't forget there's only one person like you, and that is you. So simply be genuine, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.